Hi, I'm Jerry with Mopar. We're here today to introduce you to a couple of innovative new products from Jeep Performance Parts that'll help you weather the environment inside your vehicle. The JPP heavy-duty floor system, built for Jeep Wranglers, is a multi-layered construction offering thermal protection, sound dampening, and a rugged interface for any potential situation. Maybe the best feature is the designed-in water drainage system that makes use of the integrated floor drains. The JPP heavy-duty vinyl seats, built also for the Jeep Wrangler, are resistant to water, mildew, bacteria, fading, scuffs and tears, and remember, it's heavy-duty vinyl for the most extreme conditions, so it's even kid-resistant. Both the JPP heavy-duty vinyl seats and floor system are easily washable after that long day on the trail. The JPP heavy-duty vinyl seats and floor system are available now wherever you buy Mopar products or at store.mopar.com.